Hello friends, if you've ever had one of your kids wake up in the middle of the night screaming because they have ear pain, I have the perfect solution for you. Hello, my name is Amanda and I'm from the Wild Herbal, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh ear oil with mullein flowers. I found this amazing mullein plant when my husband and I were on our anniversary trip this last weekend that had these beautiful flowers. Now mullein does not grow anywhere around our area, so I've never been able to make my own ear oil with fresh mullein. So I picked these fresh mullein flowers so that I can make my very own ear oil. So we're also going to use some garlic and some lobelia because lobelia really helps with the pain. So let's step over it and make some ear oil. Okay, so we're going to take our fresh mullein flowers and we are going to weigh out. I put minced garlic, and it's 1 ounce of minced garlic, and I did half an ounce of lobelia. Lobelia really helps with the pain, and I went ahead and measured it in here. So you'll put it on your scale. I'm going to put my funnel on. We're going to mix it all together. Now this is a fresh tincture, so it's fresh garlic. Okay, so I have 1.5 ounces with the garlic and lobelia, and then the mullein flowers were like 1/4 ounce. So I don't quite have 2 ounces here. I like to do a 1 to 5 tincture, and this is a 6 ounce jar. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and do 6 ounces. Make it nice and strong. And it's also, because this is a fresh tincture, it has fresh garlic, not dried garlic, and fresh mullein and not dried mullein. It's going to put a reusable tea bag on top of here. You could also use cheesecloth with the rubber bands, and this is going to help some of that moisture to escape, and I'll probably keep it just like this for 2 days or so, and then I can actually cap it. And randomly, if you're wondering why I have this thing, this is the mullein stuff and it's actually dried. I'm going to put it in this bag, and mullein it grows in our area, but we don't have any in our immediate area. So you see how tiny these little seeds are? I'm just going to put it in this bag and shake out some of these seeds. And I'm actually going to try to plant it in our garden and also in just some wild areas so that we can have our own fresh mullein. So I hope you enjoy your ear oil. If you need help learning how to strain the herbs out of something like this, you can check out the video over here and I'll show you how. Whenever you strain this, you're going to want to store it in a nice amber glass dropper bottle, and then whenever your child wakes up in the middle of the night with an ear infection, you're going to want to put 2 or 3 drops in each ear with a cotton ball, and you always treat both ears at the same time so the infection doesn't travel from one ear to another. Hope you enjoy. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.